So I recently got accepted into the Warlock SMP, and I really didn't want to join because I don't even know why I applied. But anyways, I had to join because they gave me the realm code and I just couldn't leave them hanging. So immediately I joined, I spotted something that annoyed me really well. I spawned in a birch forest. Apart from that, the SMP seemed great until I realized that the spawn was a cave. Warlock SMP, but immediately I joined, I noticed something, a very terrible spawn, so I made it Now at the times I had
my
zero
goal to
items
change
as I
this
had just
terrible
joined, but
cave
I
spawn
actually
or
made it
whatever
my
it
goal
is.
to complete
It
the
was a very
spawn before
nice
doing
spawn,
anything
so I
else such
basically
as
got some
building a
basic
base.
materials. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is change the entire floor into birch wood, because I pretty much think birch wood is really nice. Not gonna
Okay, I
lie.
admit I didn't really know what I
Ooh,
was doing
birch
at the time, but
saplings.
what
Oh,
did you
they look
expect me to
like
do?
a.
Build your house? What did you expect me to build spawn
Let's
with?
get
I was
these two.
surrounded by birch.
Um. So maybe if I change the floor or something. Um, I'm thinking I change this floor out. Let's get this out here.
Now, after doing some deep insights, I found out that only a small percentage of my viewers are subscribed. So please subscribe. It literally helps out a lot. Plus, my new anime comic movie thing is coming out soon. Part 1 is going to be released. Hope you guys are going to like it. So, bye. Subscribe as well.
I just really want to cover the floors with birch wood. Like, you can't just have stone. Like, I know it's a cave system, but at least laggy though. Let's not leave trees hanging now. Ha ha ha. Let's not leave some trees floating. That's not gonna be nice of us. Like, imagine joining an SMP and you're getting wood and you just leave trees floating, man. No, you're going to get banned immediately. And don't even try doing that on the AniX SMP or Geekcraft SMP. Oh my god, I feel like it's going to take a really long time. So skip to the montage.
Now obviously at the time I had miscalculated some things and didn't actually think of people joining, but one guy actually joined, but he said it was a farmer, and thank god he wasn't new, and he joined pretty I think he joined at his base or something, so
So
thank god.
someone actually joined the realm and it's freaking me out because I want to keep my operation cover. Imagine he just comes and like starts attacking us and kills us and takes our stuff.
Now I'm not sure if you could tell, but I was actually freaking out because not only did someone join, I was not afraid of them coming to
I
find
really
that I
don't know
was
what I want to
rebuilding a
use
spawn. I
for
think they
the
would pretty much
walls though.
thank me, but
Should
I
we
was
even
scared
do
of
the
them
walls or
killing me and just
something?
destroying what I'm
Because we
building.
literally got the
Cause
worst
I
spawn.
am literally building spawn with stone tools. Like I have
Like
literally
imagine
no
getting a birch
armor,
forest spawn.
nothing,
That's
just
the only
stone
wood
tools
around
and
here.
some blocks.
Oh my gosh, that sound was so creepy. I also want to make like pillars and stuff. Maybe stripped logs. This would have been so much easier if this was Java. Ugh, why do I always have to join Bedrock
Speaking of
SMPs?
Java, let me tell you about this SMP called Equip SMP, which is not another lifesteal clone. It has its
Villager?
own unique twist. Every time
Is
a
there a
player
village
dies,
somewhere
they
around here?
lose an armor slot.
That would be so
And once you lose
nice. I'll
all
be a
armor
W
slots,
right
you
now.
get banned from the
Just some free
SMP. But you
iron.
can get revived. But people
Also, I
have to
wanna
craft these really expensive revive
general
beacons and stuff
smelting place.
before you
The
can get
fact that I have to
revived.
go out to
So
get wood
consider
every
joining the
single
description.
time
The link will be in the
is annoying
description
though.
below. Thanks.
Like I'm trying to build, why can't someone else get the wood?
Alright, now I have three main goals.
I
First
really
of all,
really love
making a
this texture
public
pack I
furnace
enabled.
smelting
It was
place,
for PV, it was for Bed
making
Wars, but
a
then I guess
crafting
I just
table that will
forgot to
be
turn it
general
off,
for
and I am
all to
enjoying it
use at
so
spawn,
much.
and having a
Yo, it's
community
becoming
chest
night.
after making a community
It's
mine.
becoming
So
night.
those are the four
We have to
things I
cover
need
up
to get
spawn.
checked
We have to
off my
cover up
list.
spawn. Okay. New objective. Cover up spawn because it's literally not covered up too much. So let's just do this. Yo, this is bad. This is bad. I legitimately hate Minecraft when it's in night mode. How do we I have no idea. I have never built with grass before, so I'm pretty much a noob when it comes to building with the dirt block. But literally only noobs build with dirt blocks. Oh no, it's night. It's night. I hear drones. I hear drones. Is he coming out from the water? Oh no. Okay, we got cobblestone. The fact that we're gonna remove all this when we need to finish spawn is just crazy. Oh my gosh. Fun fact, the owner doesn't even know that I'm that was a slight mistake. Our pickaxe will soon run out of durability. Where's the grass? Touch grass, my guy. Touch grass. Alright, before I move on to the ceilings, let me just... Oh, wait, what? There was a hole here. This time. Let me just finish the floors real quick. I'm not sure this slight amount of wood I gathered is going to be enough, but... honestly, I really didn't even make sure this was like the spawn point. I literally died twice and respawned back here, so I guess it caught my attention. Oh yeah, this looks so satisfying, my guy. I really wanna get this out of the way. Oh, I hear. What sound is that? I just hear the skeleton shot or something like that. Okay, I think we're done with the floors. Let's just hope the wood will reach this. Oh, that's creepy. Yo, we got 4 extra wood. Let's go. 5 actually. Alright, that's cool. What I want to do next is make like furnaces. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fact that we're rebuilding spawn with absolutely nothing is just crazy, my guy. Let's make it like a public smelting place. There we go. We want to make a sign too that says public smelting. Oh my gosh. This guy just makes everything look cool, my guy. This guy makes everything look cool. I love his structure pack. Why can't I make signs? I don't have enough wood. I don't have enough wood. We may have to sacrifice just one piece of wood. Oh my god. Wait, we still can't make signs. Okay, we can make birch. Okay. We'll place this here. Let's see. Let's say public smelting.